I would choose Berlin every time.
Ooh, tough one, but I have to give it to Berlin.
I choose Berlin because Berlin is living with art, love and happiness.
Hard to compare, two totally different cities.
I would choose Berlin, but I also live here, so I'm biased.
Munich, definitely.
Berlin is a free sort of space where you can just experiment and be yourself.
In Munich, everything is close, you know, in the city.
Yeah, I would choose Berlin.
I'm in Berlin, I live here after all. Why do you think I chose this place?
Always Berlin.
Or Munich, Berlin.
I've been living in Munich for about 7 years.
Berlin's a much more easygoing place where anything goes, people can be who they want, do what they like.
I'd say that Munich is more conservative and all that. I don't think so, you know, I don't know.
So I've been here for like 8 months.
I've been here for a year now, last June I arrived.
I've been here for 6 months now.
I think there's nice parts of Munich, interesting parts of Munich. It's just harder to find, whereas Berlin is immediately in your face.
Much more clean. Munich is much more clean, a bit more conservative.
In Munich, that's not really more of a business sort of culture, I find, so, which is also cool, it's just different.
Munich is a little bit more traditional, like it's more focused on kind of the past and the traditions, the Bavarian culture.
Lederhose, my laptop, and beer.
And Munich is it's too clean for me.
It's how people drink beer. People like to drink beer here and talk. Berlin is a really hedonistic city.
And yeah, there's an endless amount of things to do, and it's just really fun.
Whereas Berlin is very trashy, very dirty, totally opposite.
All the stuff that's good in life, you know.
Berlin, based on its pub crawls, you know, the nightlife is really good there.
It's probably going to be the summer, like hanging out in parks with mates and just doing that sort of thing on a Sunday afternoon. That's pretty cool.
So Munich perhaps fits more the image of what Americans think of Germany in terms of Bavaria, Oktoberfest, and
Berlin is the most creative, fun city in the world.
and every time you come to Berlin, you're going to find something different.
Berlin's a really cool place to live. It's super multicultural.
In terms of Berlin versus Munich, I would say that Berlin is kind of constantly reinventing itself.
I love its vibe.
It's just easy, it's an easy place to be when it's not hard.
It's interesting to see other people sort of just letting their personalities go wild. And
The favorite?
I'm trying to think of an answer that doesn't involve beer.
The atmosphere is very open, people are not judging one another, at least that's what I've been told.
Probably the clubbing and party scene.
If you've heard this thing called Berlin Summer, it never ends. It's a non-stop party.
I would have to say the Berlin Wall.
The trains.
Oh god.
Anything you want it to be, Berlin is.
It's very kind of creative and entrepreneurial and artistic.
I think it's great, and it's a big city, loads going on, so you can't really lose.
It's good, it's bad, it's spectacular.
Anything goes here.
It's a city full of opportunities.
It's young, it's vibrant.
There's a lot of expats living here, so it's really easy to meet people from around the world.
Oh, I love how easy it is to meet new people.
Nice people.
All day, every day, and all night, every night.
Constantly evolving, and it's more messy. It's more fluid.
Munich is
Busy.
Beautiful.
Berlin, in one word, is phantasmagorical.
Berlin's fun.
Berlin is
weird.
Vibrant.
It's very flexible.
Berlin is different.
It's just a place where you feel alive.
Chaotic.
Berlin is amazing.
Anything.
Jelly binge.
Yes, it's adaptive.
Constantly evolving.
Berlin is love, I guess.
Berlin is love.
It's very hectic.
Forward looking.
nice.
Yeah, that's my word.
Flexible.
Flexible.
Fluid. It's constantly changing.
Yeah.